In today's video, I will walk you through how to add EMA Clouds in Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend and make sure you are on the main chart screen where your trading tools are visible. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Just below the Add Widget option, locate the Indicators icon. When you find the Indicators icon, click on it to open the Indicators menu. Inside the Indicators menu, select Add Indicator to continue. After clicking Add Indicator, a list of available indicators will appear on the screen. Scroll through the list or use the search box to find EMA Clouds. If you choose to use the search box, click on it and type EMA. When EMA Clouds appears in the results, click on it to add it to your chart. Once selected, EMA Clouds will automatically be applied to your chart view. After it is added, you will be able to see the EMA Clouds displayed on your chart area. At this point, confirm that the indicator has been successfully applied before moving to the next step. Next, proceed to customize the indicator. Locate the Settings option connected to EMA Clouds. Click on Settings to open the customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, you will see available options to adjust how the EMA Clouds appear on your chart. Make any changes you want based on your preferred setup. This may include adjusting visual settings within the panel. Once you are done making adjustments, close the Settings panel to apply your changes. The EMA Clouds will remain active on your chart with the updated configuration. You can continue using Robinhood Legend while the indicator stays visible as part of your chart layout. That is how you add EMA Clouds in Robinhood Legend and customize it using the Settings menu.